Welcome to Naturally.co, Cooking with Diane. Today we're going to make vegan rice pudding with cooked rice. And this can be either brown rice or white rice, whichever is your preference. When you've made a big batch of rice and you have it left over, what do you do with it? Or when you have Chinese food delivered and you've got rice left over, you don't want to throw it out, you want to use it. So here's a great way to use it, is to make rice pudding with it. And so today I'm going to show you several different ways of doing it. My favorite way is to use the silk almond creamer, the vanilla. It's got the sweetener in it, it's creamy, and it's got the vanilla in it. So all you have to do is add your cinnamon, and mix it up with your rice so that it will blend better when you put in the liquid, and break up some of the large pieces that are there. And then I'm going to add in my creamer. Stir it up. Make sure it's blended well. Then add your raisins to it. Now, if you do not have the silk almond creamer, you could try a different brand, but I'm only familiar with this one. This is my favorite creamer. So if you choose not to do the creamer, you can still make it with non-dairy milk, and then add vanilla to it, and you have to add some kind of a sweetener to it, agave or maple syrup, or you can use raw sugar. And then you want to taste it to make sure it has the amount of cinnamon you'd like to have in it, and if it's as sweet as you'd like to have it. Now, as it cooks, the rice is going to absorb the moisture from the liquid in there, and the raisins will plump up. So you don't want too much liquid in there, but you just want enough to cover the rice because it will cook down. Your choices of cooking it, you can cook it on the stove in a saucepan and until it gets almost to a boiling point, or you can microwave it. I feel that the best way to eat it is putting it in the oven for an hour at 350. However, if you need to have it pretty quick, microwave is a great way to go. So I'm going to put it in my dish. And it's ready to pop in the oven. And you will see that when I take it out of the oven, all the liquid will have been absorbed with the rice.